So we're at IKEA. I got 2 of these, 1 for Pat, 1 for Durf. This for me, that's for Durf. 2 chocolates and a pizza and a drink. She was like, what? Look at this Shag Palace. I love bedding.
Pretty wet.
And towels. Ooh, and a bathrobe. Oops, you're in that mirror. This is our dining room currently. It's right off the kitchen. It's ratchet, I'm telling you right now. Games, just stuff, electronics, wires, games, just crap. This is one computer, the ratch. And then these are the babies. My space rack. These are all the legs. Some are, where are they at? I can't even, how would I even find that? Oh, some of them are adjustable. 4 of them. The rest are just normal legs. And then you put them here. So we're opening all these because it takes forever and Durf needs help. Or use those.
This one's hard. Where's the not even joke? Oh. I would though, like I mean.
Oh, look at Pat go. Look at Pat go.
So this is already got something else. Do you like my bun?
I thought you were gonna say butt.
Oh yeah, that too. I didn't. I have a nice butt, I'm not gonna lie.
You're all.
I worked for it.
Well, hello. Nice toes, Peck.
One time somebody complimented my toes and I will never forget it, so I will never not wear.
Oh, okay, so these are the pillows we got. We got, look at this cream. It looks white, but it's cream. And then, what's this? Mustard?
Mustard.
We got mustard. We got the best pillows, so it's fine. Ooh. I need stuff for my room. There's a lady in the aisle, and I don't like it. I don't even know if I'm getting good shots. Because the security guard is staring at me. Ooh, what the? Ew, this is like heavy. Oh, it's kind of weird. Only $5.
That hurt. Wait.
And they're not
What was
glass. To see if they were glass.
Oh no, they're like.
Oh. I don't mind. Eek. Ooh. They have so much more than last time.
Yeah, they're filling it. That's cute.
Ooh. Look at all that. Mm-hmm.
It's happening.
Mm-hmm. It's happening.
Early house.
I know. We're here every day like, what you got?
It's like every day of September.
Dude, I know.
Like you're lighting.
Oh, look, they already have costumes and stuff.
They're over there. Oh, these are my eateries. Remy.
I thought that was a dog. It scared me.